What if I told you that you can create stunning Pinterest pins like this using Claude AI and create variations of your digital products in minutes? And it's so easy that you don't even need any code experience and you don't even need to be like a pro Claude user. I'm a heavy Canva user and I've built all my templates inside Canva, and that's what I used to do for years. But now with Claude AI, it's way faster than what I was doing in Canva. So today I'm sharing exactly how I designed these pins to sell my digital products and how you can do the same all using Claude AI. Hi, I'm Leticia, and here I share everything I've learned running a successful Notion template business and selling digital products. And right now I'm in the Claude AI era. I'm trying to figure it out, this new tool, and how I can improve my workflows. And I'm going to be sharing all the best tips here with you. So if you want to stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here's a problem that I see all the time. You got a digital product, you know that it can help people, but you know that you need to market. And every time that you are going to sit down to make some pins and publish on Pinterest, it turns into a 4-hour long project, and it makes you so overwhelmed that makes you give up altogether, because you have to go in Canva, you have to create the designs, pick the fonts, pick the colors, make sure it's all in alignment, and it's just a lot of work. Most people think the fix is a better Canva template, and honestly, I thought that too. I created a lot of Canva templates to make this process faster for me. But here's the thing, the problem was never the template or Canva itself. The problem is that you still have to go and build one pin at a time yourself. The real shift is letting Claude generate variations for you and taking your direction, your branding, your style. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through my entire process from blank screen to creating these stunning pins ready to post. So let's get right into it. Now we're going to go into Claude, and for this tutorial, we are going to need the pro version of Claude to be able to use this design feature, because it's not just a chat. This is going to be able to actually build your pins for you. So for me, it's 100% worth it. So once you are in Claude, you're going to see this page, and where you're going to go is you're going to click in design, and it will take you to this Claude design system, and you are going to be able to add your prompt here, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Before we start, you actually need two things. The first one is to have your brand guidelines. I created mine using Claude. This is where you are going to have all your your colors, your fonts, your design style, everything, so Claude understands quickly how you want the design to look like. And the second thing is to have a picture of your Notion template or the digital product that you are going to promote. You can click on the plus icon and attach a file. So we are going to add the image for my Notion template that I want to create pins for it. I'm going to add this plain image, and I'm also going to add my brand hub. And by the way, this is something that I also created using Claude, and it makes my life so much easier every time I want to design anything. So I created that as a HTML file. So I'm just going to add that here. And now we are going to copy and paste the prompt that is going to make the magic happen. Can you create 3 variations of this Notion template for Pinterest using this format? Follow my brand guidelines, make sure the space is well used, use bigger fonts, and use the image provided in some variations, and make sure the spacing is well balanced. So for that, because I want to make sure I have the best results I can, I'm going to use Opus 4.8. Which is the best model that we can access here. And I'm going to just click here, and let's wait for the results. So it's gonna build it up for us. Love to watch this happen, because yes, we can create those in Canva, absolutely, but just see how powerful this feature is to actually create it for us is absolutely magical. Right, while Claude Design is actually building our Pinterest pins, I want to take that moment to share with you another tool that I absolutely love, and it's crucial if you are selling Notion templates or any kind of digital product, because if you are selling a product no one is searching for and no one actually wants, there is no point trying to market and try to get people to see it because no one is interested at. So the tool that I use for that to do market research is Everbee, because it allows you to see the keywords that people are actually typing in the search bar and actively searching for. You can see shops that are actually selling their products. You can analyze trends, and that makes it so much easier for you to make decisions and decide what products are actually worth putting this effort in marketing it on Pinterest. So if you want to try Everbee for free, you can use my link below, or you can get 2 months for the price of 1 using the link that I'm going to leave in the description. I want to thank Everbee for kindly sponsoring these videos so I can keep making them for you for free. So here you have other options to continue editing this. You can use the markup feature. You can basically just circle whatever you want to change it, and you just tell them what you wanted to change. Let's say make this font bigger, or change the style, whatever you want. You can also edit the image itself. So let's say if you click here, you can see background. You can change the background here. Let's say you want like a bluish background. There are so many things that you can do, but I'm pretty happy that it gave me a design that I don't need to tweak much really. You can also, and the next feature here that you can make even more variations in seconds is the tweaks. So once you click here, it will create quick variations using your brand colors. You can even change the fonts as well, the headline, if you want to make it bigger. Now we are gonna learn how we can actually export and publish those on Pinterest. And here we work with the truth. So I don't know exactly how I'm gonna save this, because if you save like that, I'm just gonna save one just to show you. It's not going to save just the image, it's going to save it in HTML file, and that's not what we want. So I'm going to ask, let's just put this, and I'm going to keep using Opus just because I want the best results I can. And you are going to realize that this spends a lot of your credits. So if you are working on Claude, this is going to, you need to be smart when using your prompts, because they are going to run out very quickly. And then when they run out, you need to wait 5 hours until you can play around again. So be smart with your prompts and know that they are going to run out. Now to export the files, I asked here how I could save each pin as a PNG file so I could upload it to Pinterest, and he gave me this button so I could download the zip file, but instead I asked again if we could create a button for me. So every time that I want to download it, I can just click on the button instead of downloading the zip file. So he created that for me, and it's in high quality. Some fonts you are going to notice that it's going to be a bit different from the one that we are using here in the design, but it won't make a big difference. And by the way, you can look on your usage here as well. So you can see I spent already 89% of my credits, and it will reset in 3 hours. So I am happy with the results, and if you are happy too, you can use the prompt that I left in the description for you. If you want to keep learning about Pinterest, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm working on a video right now to help you use Pinterest to grow your traffic, grow your leads and your sales, and make sure that Pinterest actually works for you, even if you don't want to show your face, even if you don't have an audience yet and you are starting apps. and you are starting absolutely from scratch, this video is going to be made exactly for you. So I don't want you to miss that. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.